Nangkha HonkheLogilogi no Paksitanni attack no Phirokmung Rwnani bagwi Tiar wngjak India Haktoni joto air defense system wngjak full alert tangshalo kaisa kokthum panda khlai odam rok mungrekha Air Marshal A.K. Barti.
Coba mutangnani kok Rwnani yagolo fano ja sal hora Bharat hakotoni dalbidal amse drone by attack khlaika Pakistan aboni bagwi border amse nukjaka thumflamung aboni yagolo hainu hai Bharatiya Sena no khlaisaka alert tangshula hainu hai te kaisa kokthum panda khlai Pakistan no husiari khlai rekha terrorism no muthage hanke nangmani saktharmung naharnai India hapang kokthum panda o manjaka Director General of Air Operations Air Marshal A.K. Bharati Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod te Major General S.S. Sharda kokthum pandawa Air Marshal A.K. Bharati Shaka Nangkha HonkheLogilogi no Pakistani attack no Phirokmung Rwnani bagwi Tiar wngjak India hakotoni joto air defense system wngjak full alert.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday, we had a detailed brief on the successful joint operations that were carried out to destroy the terror infrastructure in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as well as in Pakistan itself. We also iterated that our fight was with terrorists and their support infrastructure and not with Pakistan military. However, it is a pity that the Pakistan military chose to intervene and bat for the terrorist, which compelled us to respond in kind. दोस्तों, हमारी लड़ाई आतंकवाद और आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ थी। इसलिए 7 मई को हमने केवल आतंकवादी ठिकानों पर ही हमला किया था। पर अफसोस इस बात का है कि पाकिस्तानी सेना ने आतंकवादियों का साथ देना उचित समझा और इस लड़ाई को अपनी लड़ाई बना ली। इस परिस्थिति में हमारी जवाबी कार्यवाही अत्यंत आवश्यक थी और इसमें उनका जो भी नुकसान हुआ वे खुद इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं। हमारी तरफ से हमारी एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम्स देश के लिए दीवार की तरह खड़ी थी और इसको भेदना दुश्मन के लिए नामुमकिन था। This brings me to the point, how have Indian forces managed to minimize the damage to both civilian and military infra in the country in spite of the unrelenting efforts by the Pakistani forces? Most of you and the majority populace within the country have had a lot to say about the layered and integrated air defense systems put in place by the Indian Armed Forces, which includes the assets of the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, in addition to the primary air defense assets of the Indian Air Force. As you all are well aware, this robust AD system comprises of a large variety of multi-layered AD sensors and weapon systems, from point defense weapons like the low-level air defense guns, shoulder-fired manpads, and short-range surface-to-air missiles or SAMs, to area defense weapons like the air defense fighters and longer-range surface-to-air missiles within our inventory. Additionally, the numerous waves of drones and unmanned combat aerial vehicles employed by Pakistan were also thwarted by the indigenously developed soft and hard kill counter-US systems and the well-trained Indian air defense personnel. All this was brought together as an efficient and effective AD environment by the Integrated Air Command and Control System or the ISCCS of the Indian Air Force, which accords us the net-centric operational capability which is vital to modern days warfighting.
Kokthum Pandawa, Director General of Air Operations, Air Marshal Ekebardi Tebushaka, terrorist rokni Ganawa Bachaka, Abuni Bagwi Paksitanni, Jelos Ongmani, Abu Pakistano Tai Hanei. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.